Hello and welcome to today's session. Today we are going to learn how to represent a physical location in the SAP plant maintenance model. We do this by creating functional location. So today I'm going to take you through how to create a functional location. So I double click create technical object. Then I select functional location. Then I choose my structure indicator. Then I specify my location address. I select my technical objects category. This way, in this case, it's a functional location, so I choose mechanical system, then continue. I have to give my location a description. So I'll say cooling water circulation pump. And then after the message, data was saved. So this is how to create a functional location in the SAP plant maintenance model. Thank you.